What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's Alexa Marchand here from the Four Pillar Journey, and today we're going to talk about why women don't find you attractive. You see, a lot of men focus too much on their physicality, and I'm here to tell you that is only a half truth. It's obvious if you don't have your physicality on check as far as your hairdo, skincare, making sure you're wearing nice clothes that fit right, you're going to the gym, you have an athletic build. All of that plays a role when it comes to getting a woman. But that is not the most important thing when it comes to keeping a woman. And I've made a video on how to know if you're choosing a correct woman. But let's say that you do you really think that a good woman is going to want to be with somebody who does not respect themselves enough to look presentable? I hear a lot of men say that they don't care about the clothes they wear or how they look, and I can tell you for a fact that I know that they're lying. Deep down inside, they wish, and this is key, they wish that they had the nice body and the nice clothes, but they don't want to put in the work. And on top of that, they don't respect and love themselves enough to understand that they are lacking in many areas of their own life, because the physicality, that is only one part. On top of that, you have to know who you are inside. Are you a man with ambitions and goals? I can assure you that if you're someone who is struggling to get a woman, it is either your physicality, who you are as a person, or a combination of both. So many young men today spend most of their time playing video games, working a job that does not pay well. They never try to get new skills that is going to improve their life. They never read a book on anything that can help them in any area of life. And then they wonder, and then they blame the woman that it is their fault that they are not picking them. It makes no sense. We have to learn how to connect the dots. If women don't want me, it could be a possibility that the woman is just not interested in me. But you also have to understand, why. Am I up to the part to be able to get that kind of woman? Because as I've said, if you do not respect and love yourself, you cannot expect someone else to do that for you, especially in a relationship between a man and a woman. it's very it's very important to understand this, because if not, you're going to be living your life with this lie that women are bad people, or you live in this negative circle, you build this negative bubble around you. And as the underlying message of this channel, you never take any self accountability and ask yourself if the reason women are not picking me is because of me. Do the hard work even when you don't feel like it. Go to the gym. Pick up a new skill. Read a book. Go out and see new places. Meet new people. These are the things that are going to get a woman attracted to you. Have goals and actually achieve them. Be a man who is of his word. If you say something, you are going to do it. That is what a woman finds attractive in a man. The physicality, if you have that on top of that, that's a nice bonus. And then for sure, your options are going to multiply. But you have to do the hard work right now. If not, you cannot blame anybody but yourself for the lack of women who you are able to choose from. It is that simple. I hope this video helps you well. And if it did, please remember to give it a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.